Leaders of the Kenya National Union of Teachers have today put up a show of unity to dispel recent reports of cracks after a State House meeting last week. The union leaders have now agreed to obey a presidential directive that they and the Teacher Service Commission hold talks towards a new collective bargaining agreement.
It's a handshake meant to erase recent reports of cracks forming within the country's largest teachers' union following a meeting convened at State House last week. The Kenyan head of state intervening in a matter that saw the country go through a 5-week teachers' strike which left learning paralyzed in most public learning institutions. KNUT Chair Mudzanzili and the Union's Secretary General Wilson Sosion now presenting a more united front following days of accusations and counter-accusations over the true intentions of the State House meeting. Oddly, Sosion had been left out of the loop.
There is no division whatsoever between us, because the teachers of Kenya brought us here not to work for ourselves, but to work for them.
There has been no war at KNUT headquarters. There has been a very strong ideological thinking to move the union to the next level.
The union agreeing to hold talks for a fresh bargaining agreement with the Teachers Service Commission on the 25th of this month, but not without a caution to the teachers' employer.
We are warning TSC, prepare and prepare well. Prepare and prepare well, so that we can close this business once and for all.
The union has insisted that they will head to the talks with nothing less than a workable collective bargaining agreement that should see an end to the teachers' pay disputes. They insist that they will accept nothing short of a 50 to 60% pay rise. They also expect payment for their September salaries, as well as the union's dues that they insist TSC is still unwilling to release.
We are not going for collective begging. We are going for collective bargaining agreement. We are not going to sit to be instructed. We are going to sit to agree, and we are not going to start from zero. This is a matter that has been ongoing.
KNUT has also welcomed President Uhuru Kenyatta's intervention, but maintains that what they will be bringing to the negotiation table next week is nothing new, but rather what they have been fighting for all along.
We will expect within the first 5 minutes of sitting at the Teacher Service Commission to be assured that teachers have been paid their salaries, and we want to confirm by this weekend that teachers have actually enjoyed their salaries.
Solidarity forever, for the union makes us.
And so the song so common on every teacher's lips continues, this time with officials hopeful that by the time the union holds its annual delegates conference this December, they will have a new collective bargaining agreement to present to their 190,000 members. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.